Hi everyone, and welcome to this video on how to use Autodesk's setter supports for supporting an additively manufactured part during sintering. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through creating these supports in Fusion to help hold your parts during sintering in a furnace. Setter supports are very useful for acting as a cradle for parts during the sintering process, hence reducing warping and distortion. Setter supports are available in Fusion for FFF, Metal Powder Bed Fusion, SLA, DLP and binder jetting technologies. For this video we'll be using a HP MetalJet printer. If you want to follow along, download and install the HP 3D Printers for Autodesk Fusion add-in from the Autodesk Fusion App Store. This add-in will help you to create the additive setup and streamline the connectivity between Fusion and your HP hardware. Having installed and run the add-in, we'll notice a Create HP Setup icon appear in the design workspace. Using this, we can select the HP printer that we wish to use and quickly create our additive setup. Great, now we'll need to place our body so that there is space for the supports. Next, navigate to the Supports tab in the toolbar and select Setter Support. Select the solid bodies or components that need to be supported during the sintering process. Fusion will automatically generate the setter support based on the geometry of your model. For this example, we'll set the gap and tolerance to 0.2 mm, the maximum height to 50 mm, and the pattern type to hexagonal. At this point, we have the option to separate the supports from the body so that we can print our part and support independently. Navigate to the Modify toolbar group and select Split Supports. Select the body that the setter supports belong to and change the operation to Merge and New Component. This allows us to place the support and body side by side and print them separately using the Additive Arrange command. Great! Now we can use the Send to SmartStream or Connect and Print options in the HP add-in to connect to our printer and send the job remotely. That's it, you've successfully set up the setter supports in Fusion to ensure your parts stay in place during sintering. If you have any questions or need more tips, feel free to visit the Fusion user forums at forums.autodesk.com.